What's up, people? What's up, YouTube? I am back again here with another reaction, another soul-touching performance from Diana Ankudinova, the goddess sent to the Russian people, to the Russian audience to enjoy her performance. You know, she's that pretty lady who just got up, decided to show love to the world, thank the world by just doing music. She's a gospel singer and she sings most of the song in her language, you know, not the language of, not like the English language, not the French. She does that using the Russian mother tongue, and I love it because I enjoy everything about her videos, about her songs, what she says, even though I don't get it, but just the tune, the melody, I feel it so good. Today I'm going to be reacting to one of her songs. I cannot even pronounce the title, it's written now, but I love the video. Even though it's my first time of seeing it, I believe it's just going to be delivered the way you want it, ladies and gentlemen. And without taking much time, let's see it. Okay, Diana Ankudinova. This time around, she will be doing it with somebody else.
И хотите ходить на концерты, никто и ничто не запретит вам делать. Я уверен.
Alright, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. Let's get started. All right. Okay, let's take a beautiful break there. It's just 2 minutes gone. That's 200 minutes gone. Wow. You know, the song started with a long, beautiful guitar string cover, and I was so enjoying it. Even though she started singing, her voice was not a bit clear, despite the fact that I don't understand the language, but I enjoyed it. And the guy along the way joined how to do some chorus and so on. It's beautiful, I love it. And I think this song is a worship song. I don't know, but any information you know about the song, guys, my suggestion box is open for you to put in your comments. They will be highly appreciated. Putting in those comments, you don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to support me. You know, it's your own way of getting me higher and higher, which will make me so happy. Please turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a reaction video, you will be able to get a notification. Alright, beautiful people, let's go there. Alright, it was a short but a beautiful one for that matter. This guy's name, the guy's singing with Diana Ankudinova, I don't even know anything about him. I don't know where he comes from. Guys, I believe you're there because I'm here. If there's any information you know about him, just put in my suggestion box. I will appreciate it. Guys, I love it. It's beautiful. I don't just believe it's a worship song as well as a love song. Even though not just a single word I could be able. I wasn't able to spot at just a single word. Just a single word to at least know a meaning. But that's how it has to be. I enjoy everything about the video. So guys, see you next time.